Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create and set up Node.js application. So let's get started. Here with the front-end application, let me create a new folder with the name Backend. Inside this folder, I'm going to open here the CMD. So here I'm going to write the command to initialize the npm. So the command that we have npm init. As you can see, the package name that will be a default. Version will be a 1.0.0. Description, let me add here bookstore backend. Entry point, let me add here app.js. Test command, leave it empty. Git repository, leave it empty. Keywords, leave it empty. Author, leave it empty. License will be a default. So here I'm going to write yes. As you can see, npm initialization completed successfully. Let me close the CMD. And I'm going to open this folder inside the VS Code editor. So here I'm going to open the terminal. So here inside the terminal, I'm going to add here the command to install the different packages for our Node.js application. So the packages are bcryptjs, course.env, express, jsonwebtoken, mongoose, nodemon, and the uuid. Now let's hit enter. As you can see, the packages are installed successfully. Let me open here the package.json file. As you can see the dependencies. Now after that, I'm going to create a new folder with the name src. Inside this, we have a file with the name app.js that we have the entry point of our Node.js application. Inside this, I'm going to add here console.log. Here we have a dummy string like hello world. Now after that, I'm going to add the start scripts inside the scripts array. Let me add here the command that we have nodemon. After this, we have to pass here the path of our entry point file that is a src/app.js. Now let's save this. Let me open here new PowerShell. And here I'm going to write the command to run the Node.js application. So the command that we have npm start. Let's hit enter. As you can see, our Node.js application started successfully and we are getting here the dummy string as well. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.